Yesterday was the International Day of the Elderly. According to the UN, every 9 person in the world is aged 60 and above, and the numbers will increase to 1 in 5 by 2050. India may be a young nation, but according to United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA, by 2050, there will be more women than men in India's population of those above 60 years of age. But is India keeping its elderly in good health? Here is a Tic Tac with Matthew Cherian, Chief Executive, HelpAge India.
India, Matthew Sharan. So first question, so how grim is the situation of old people in this country?
The situation is quite grim because we are 100 million senior citizens and bulk of them do not have any pension and no health insurance. So if they have even a single episode of bad health and they have to be hospitalized, they will slide into poverty. This is one side of the problem. The other problem is feminization of aging. We have women living longer than men. So there are 22 million widows who have no form of sustenance. And since they are already widows, they are not treated properly in their families. And as a result of it, both these situations are quite big. And at the same time, government is not investing on pensions for all people and for health insurance.
So has the government at the center failed when it comes to taking care of the old?
I think in large measure they have failed in looking after the old. Because unless they invest in policies like pension and health insurance, you cannot say that you are taking care of the old.
As of now, there is no movement on pensions. There are schemes, but most of them are not really good.
There is movement on the health insurance field. In the 12th plan, there is increased investment on health insurance. They propose to put in about 1.8% of the GDP into health insurance. But what exactly is going to come out of it, we are not completely aware.
So can we say the society in itself is changing so fast? We are going towards nuclear families, so we can see more of these problems occurring.
Society has already changed. It has gone into nuclear families. With the migration of young people to other places, from rural to urban, from urban to other centers, there has been a huge shift in demographics. Older people are increasingly living alone. Children are not living with them. And care of older people by children is also going down.
So now on the crucial issue of violence against the elderly people, where does the problem lie?
The problem lies in the children. The lack of love, the lack of care, and at the same time abuse is mostly around property issues because children want to have the property of the older people before they die. So as a result of it, abuse is rampant.
And you also said the son is the main culprit in a sense.
Yeah, predominantly son is always the abuser. So as I mentioned, Saas Bahu serials, they say actually Bahu is completely innocent. It is always the son.
She gets the clean sheet now.
She gets a clean sheet, yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to DD News.
Thank you.
That was the Chief Executive of HelpAge India talking exclusively to DD News. Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.